Sending crypto to Phantom is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. To start, you need to have a Phantom wallet installed on your device, which is a popular digital wallet for Solana blockchain. First, you need to set up your Phantom wallet by creating a new account or restoring an existing one. This involves generating a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your account in case you lose access to it. Make sure to store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. Next, you need to obtain the recipient's Phantom wallet address, which is a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet on the Solana blockchain. You can find this address in the Receive section of their Phantom wallet. To send crypto to Phantom, you need to follow these steps. Open your cryptocurrency exchange or another wallet that supports Solana, and navigate to the Send or Withdraw section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send, which in this case is likely to be Solana or another Solana-based token. Enter the recipient's Phantom wallet address in the recipient address field, and make sure to double-check it for accuracy. Even a small mistake can result in the loss of your funds. Enter the amount you want to send, and select the transaction fee, which will depend on the current network congestion and the priority of your transaction. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, confirm the transaction, and wait for the blockchain to process it. This may take a few minutes, depending on the network congestion and the priority of your transaction. It is essential to follow best practices when sending crypto to Phantom, such as verifying the recipient's wallet address, using a secure internet connection, and keeping your device and wallet software up to date. Additionally, be aware of the transaction fees and the current market conditions to avoid any unexpected losses. In summary, sending crypto to Phantom is a relatively simple process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrency transactions and wallet management. By following the steps outlined in this guide and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently send crypto to Phantom.